Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2024 Toyota Hilux, stock number 7412. It's ran from the 6 2020 to the current shape. There's a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, the gear shifter, your AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy lap sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,